If we move into a field of energy, whatever it is received by our own field. It is translated innately from our subconscious through our cellular structure so that we become aware of it at a mental and emotional level. We find that not all energy is harmonious with our natural state of being. So it is our job to practice being more present in our moments and to constantly be aware of the frequencies we absorb. Are they discordant or are they harmonious?
Hello, I hope you're all in fine fettle. We benefit greatly from being in the energies of a woodland, where we're drawn into the moments as our senses sharpen. These energies calm and relax us, and for this moment, the worries of our daily lives are forgotten. Being surrounded by organic life force energies naturally brings us into balance. And if we can tap into these frequencies, we can learn to communicate with them. As we pass through its field, our attention may be drawn to an individual tree that seems to call to us to breathe in its essence. And often there's a realization or an inspired idea that is transferred, which was waiting for this very connection. It's quite possible that many initial connections with trees are formed this way. We would naturally want to return to see if there's any more inspiration for us. Though I suggest respect be given and an energetic exchange of some sort or other. Trees like to be honoured, and an appreciation of what is transpiring will go a long way to forming a deeper connection. Part of that respect could be to centre oneself so that when we reach the edge of the trees, we've already slowed our breathing, and then to move slowly and gracefully. Just as we feel energy moving through our field, trees are aware of what we bring to them. There's a mutual recognition of frequency, and this recognition becomes more apparent when we come into contact with animals. And it's a great opportunity to offer our unique love and vibration and to see this reflected back, thus creating the possibility of further exchanges. It's a sure sign that we're doing just fine when we're greeted by the joyful melodies of a bird watching in a tree. The wildlife let us know we still need to tune in a bit. I've found these ideas are worth considering if we want to enjoy the full benefits from our time spent in nature. Until next time, when I'll be back with more musings from the woodlands.